videos, please subscribe, like and share.
Hello everyone. For as long as history has been recorded, religion has been an integral part of Indian lives. And to celebrate different religions, there are various temples and pilgrimage destinations that have adorned the face of our beautiful country. Most of the temples were made many a centuries ago, but they still stand today, surviving the test of time with the same divinity with which they were built. We have a list of top temples of India. Let's start. ISKCON Temple. ISKCON Temple in New Delhi. Kedarnath. Kedarnath in Uttarakhand. Golden Temple. Golden Temple in Amritsar. Sarnath Temple. Sarnath Temple in UP. Mehendipur Balaji. Mehendipur Balaji in Rajasthan. Mumba Devi. Mumba Devi in Mumbai. Meenakshi Temple. Meenakshi Temple in Tamil Nadu. Lotus Temple. Lotus Temple in New Delhi. Mylapore Temple. Mylapore Temple is in Tamil Nadu. Birla Mandir. Birla Mandir is in Jaipur. Konark Sun Temple. Konark Sun Temple is in Odisha. Nandi Temple. Nandi Temple is in Karnataka. Mukteshwar Temple. Mukteshwar Temple is in Bhubaneswar. Rangji Temple. Rangji Temple is in Rajasthan. Shirdi Sai Temple. Shirdi Sai Temple is in Maharashtra. Parshvanath Temple. Parshvanath Temple is in Khajuraho. Amarnath Cave. Amarnath Cave is in Kashmir. Karni Mata Temple. Karni Mata Temple is in Rajasthan. Birla Mandir. Birla Mandir is in New Delhi. Bodh Gaya Temple. Bodh Gaya Temple is in Bihar. Devi Jagdambe Temple. Devi Jagdambe Temple is in Madhya Pradesh. Buddhist Monastery. यानी मठ. Buddhist monastery is in Ladakh. Chintapurni temple. Chintapurni temple is in Himachal Pradesh. Chitai temple. Chitai temple is in Uttarakhand. Sankat Mochan temple. Sankat Mochan temple is in Shimla. Vaishno Devi. Vaishno Devi is in Jammu. Kamakhya temple. Kamakhya temple is in Assam. Badrinath temple. Badrinath is in Uttarakhand. Lingaraj temple. Lingaraj temple is in Odisha. Akshardham. Akshardham is in New Delhi. Dwarkadhish temple. Dwarkadhish temple is in Gujarat. Dilwara temple. Dilwara temple is in Rajasthan. Naina Devi temple. Naina Devi is in Himachal Pradesh. Somnath temple. Somnath temple is in Gujarat. Gandhi Memorial. Gandhi Memorial is in Kanyakumari. Kashi Vishwanath. Kashi Vishwanath is in UP. Siddhi Vinayak temple. Siddhi Vinayak temple is in Maharashtra. Devi Jagdambe temple. Devi Jagdambe temple is in Madhya Pradesh. Dilwara temple. Dilwara temple is in Rajasthan. Dakshineshwar temple. Dakshineshwar temple is in West Bengal. Jagannath temple. Jagannath temple is in Puri. Jain temple. Jain temple is in Palitana, Gujarat. Vivekanand Rock. Vivekanand Rock is in Tamil Nadu. Jwalamukhi temple. Jwalamukhi temple is in Himachal Pradesh. Shankaracharya temple. Shankaracharya temple is in Kashmir.